Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to send spoiler messages in Telegram chat using the latest method. Whether you want to hide a surprise, keep a movie ending secret, or simply make your chats more fun, Telegram's spoiler feature makes it easy. Let's go step by step and see exactly how it works. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once you're in, choose a chat where you want to send your message. This can be a friend, a group, or even a channel where you want to share something, but keep it hidden at first. Next, type your message in the chat box as you normally would. You can write a full sentence or just a few words, it's completely up to you. Now, if there's a particular word, phrase, or part of the message that you want to hide, here's what to do. Tap and hold the word or sentence you want to hide. A small text menu will appear above your message, showing several options. Look for the three dots icon in that menu and tap on it. This will open more formatting choices. From the list that appears, select spoiler. You'll notice that the selected part of your message now appears blurred or hidden. That means it's ready to send as a spoiler. Once you're happy with your message, tap send. Now, your spoiler message is sent, but the hidden part will stay blurred until someone taps on it to reveal the text. It's a fun and useful way to share information without instantly spoiling a surprise or story twist. This feature works smoothly across both private and group chats, and it adds a layer of excitement to everyday conversations. You can also use it for jokes, quizzes, or anything you want to keep secret for a few moments. And that's it. You've just learned how to send spoiler messages in Telegram in a few quick steps. Try it out next time you chat and make your messages a little more mysterious.